Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about what my 2022 planner setup will be like. I actually made this planner myself, should be super flexible so I can try a lot of different layouts. This planner is available for download for free on my website, so if you just check the link in the description below, you'll see where you can download it. And you can change the cover if you want. This is just the cover that I picked right now. Um, and uh, I'll give you a little tour about my planner and how I plan to use it. And this will be my 2022 planner. Um, I chose to be more flexible this year because we just had a new baby. So a lot of those plans change, and I just can't really keep up with one layout all the time. Sometimes I don't really have a schedule for the whole day, or sometimes I just have a huge to-do list or something. Sometimes I just want to memory plan and journal. So this is why I thought this would be a good idea to keep things a little bit more flexible. So this planner is made up so that you have these placeholders for monthly spread, and they're all blank, so you can tailor it to however you want it. And the pages are mostly black and white, so you can choose a color scheme that you want to try out for that month very easily. And it all comes with a blank page afterward, so you can either have it as a blank page or use inserts to put in there to create a page, and I'll show you how I do that um, later on. So this is the tour. As you can see, that it's very minimal. I have linked the tabs to each month, so it's still functional, and you can jump from pages to pages, month to month. And this is what it looks like as a planner. So these are all blank. You can do whatever you want here with a monthly focus, monthly goals, and a notes section. And then you can go to February, March, April, and swipe left to get a blank page. And if you want more pages for your weekly or daily spread, you can just easily duplicate the page and use it that way. So you can just grow the pages as you need. And so this month is the last month of 2021. So I've been using this planner um, to just get started on how I want it to plan the next year and get an idea of what I need, since my life is a little bit up in the air right now. So as you can see, you can add your own color scheme to things. So I've dated my monthly here like that, and my monthly focus, monthly goals. Um, and if you go to the next page, this is what my daily spread looks like. Currently, I'm working on a daily basis. So I'm using inserts from my shop if you want to get the same insert that I'm using here. So I can break it down piece by piece to let you know how I've made this layout. So here it's actually um, an image. So uh, I've used a PDF and put it in here, and this is the actual insert. You can either use it as a horizontal layout and have it as like half a page, or a vertical layout and stretch this out to a full page if you want. And what I do is just put it in here and write on top of it and add these icons and labels as I need. This current layout has um, today's mantra, which is, like what you want to feel like for the day. and just a little bit of journaling pieces in here. That's what I feel like is important to me right now. Getting my head cleared and set an intention for the day. So I have today's mantra. I'm grateful for things to make today even better, and a schedule of things that's happening the day. And it's flexible. You can add your own timeline here. And on this side, there's like the to-do list and priorities of the day. So here's my priorities, my top 3, and any additional to-do items. And I also have a dotted note space down here for tracking. These icons are from my shop if you want to check them out. I'll link them in my description below. And this widget is also included in the package. So I just do this half page where I have my insert on one side and some creativity decoration on the right. It's very simple for now. I just like having it a little bit more simple, and yeah, I think it works well. I really like the horizontal layout right now, so this is what I'll be using for 2022. I haven't had a chance to use a weekly layout yet, but maybe in a future video I'll show you how I plan with a weekly spread. But this is pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or click the bell button for notification. And you can get this full planner on my website with the link below. So thanks for watching.